folks, it's me again with a freaky hat on. It's a little chilly. I've been trying to stay warm. So first, I'm gonna start off with the what do you call it? Weekly What's New. There's not much going on, but there is something going on. I dropped off more stuff to the powder coating guy. I got a couple of pieces back, which you'll see a video I showed. I sent 2 pieces back to be repowder coated because I screwed them up. One of them was a battery box that I forgot to take 2 rubber pieces out, and it was powder coated and baked in here, so I had to rip it off and do it again. So with that said, so there's a bunch of pieces I powder coated. I have a video coming with just to show you some parts that I've cleaned. I am currently awaiting a few more bolts, and as soon as I get the 2 pieces back, I even have the, I don't know where I put it, but I have the what do you call it? I ordered an extra set of top and bottom original race, not the I don't like the all balls tapered bearing racist. I guess I'm a tapered bearing racist. I don't like them. So anyway, this bike, where is it? Right over here? Yeah. The bike right here, which is somewhere here. Anyway, it was better when the front was on. The triple tree will come back in about a week. I'm gonna put the 2 races in there. I got the little balls, I have all the grease ready, and we're pretty much gonna get ready to throw the whole front end on. And apparently he has the shock little things, and I'm gonna take probably the best shocks 2 I have for now, and get the other ones re-hard chromed if I can find somebody to do it. With that said, that thing might actually be rolling soon. I dropped off the rims. As soon as I get the rims back in gray, I didn't go for any specific gray. I just said make it similar. I'm not being a a complete like, oh, it's got to be exact tone. I don't care as long as it looks nice. So there's 3 genuine rims, as long as they look pretty. You know, I don't care about they're all gonna get dented and shit. As soon as I get the rims back, the wheels are going back on the rims. I have what else? I'm probably gonna put the nice clean shock. First, I'm putting the swing arm on, putting it back stuff together. I have the all the rubber pieces for the battery box. And you get the battery box on. So the battery box is going on the frame. Probably the air cleaner I've been in the process of cleaning. I cleaned off a headlight thing. There's a couple of rubber grommets. I almost have all the bolts for the miscellaneous rear end stuff there. I also, a surprise, I asked him if he could sandblast the rear differential, and there was he was getting a guy to come in and laser clean it. So if you see me toying around with the differential in my videos, which you'll see, it's gonna get laser cleaned, and apparently it's really cool. So if that happens, I'm gonna have a nice, very nice, clean rear diff. I will probably paint it with VTT, this stuff right over. Paint it with this stuff just to keep it covered. I'm also gonna do a video as soon as it comes back with is this here. Here's the differential bearing and seal kit. So you'll see me putting the differential bearings there, the seal kit. I did a video of comparing the low budget version versus the all balls version, and it seems like the all balls bearing has the better seal. So that's gonna go together, the sealing, and I think I ordered all the differential bolts too. Ordered all differential bolts. I have one of these rear things that goes on there that's nice and pretty. I don't know if I have the rubber pieces to put on there, but I got one of those that's coming in nice. I'm working on taking the rubbers off there to get them repowder coated. Battery box. I'm sending all the parts I have to get powder. So as soon as that thing gets put together, I have brand new bolts for the what do you call it? The hell's this called again? The foot peg. All the foot pegs have been repowder coated. They're all in pieces. I think I have a new pin for it, which I don't know if that's the right size, but we'll see. I bought some foot peg pins on eBay just to see if they work. I'm pretty sure they're the wrong one, so I might have to just get these. I don't know. Maybe I'll just heat them up and blacken them or something. So I got that. Everything's rolling. What else? When I get the other extra triple, the 87's getting a new front end immediately. I'm not doing a perfect job on it. I'm going to take it apart, just change the front end, put it all back together. I'm not changing bearings. I'm not going to buy new screws right now. I'm just putting a nice fancy new rack on it. I'm putting the new headlight shroud. I'm taking this one off. I might see if I can bend it back and fix the rack. The rack looks pretty good. It needs to be bent. I'll send whatever's still good on there to be powder coated. And then I'm just going to drive it. Apparently, if I want an original side cover for the 87, they're like an original with a little notch for the side there. They were about $700. I might redo the seat, and I might take the rear fenders off and send that rack out to get blasted and powder coated. And in a few weeks, I have to test all the holes. I have a rack sitting on top of the other rack. I have to test all the bolt holes. There's 2 or 3 bolts that got to be tapped, drilled and tapped, or clean unstuck, I guess you could say. So I'm going to get those unstuck and send that powder coated. When it comes back, that's getting the rack back, thrown back on. And I might put an original set of fenders on it. I don't know. It's an 87. It deserves a original set of. It's going to be the baby. I don't want to kill the 87, even though. Should I put on that one or this one? I don't know. Maybe I'll use this as a nice machine and bog the 87. So, with that said, but pretty much the bikes are, in a couple of months, the bike part fixing things, and to come to an end, I'll be doing other dumb shit. So, actually, no, let me rephrase that. That bike's gonna come to an end. That one's gonna get fixed. That one's gonna get put together next, and I'm gonna try to get the 200s, at least one of them running, and then have some fun, make some videos. So, I did put a new brake handle on that one, put new fenders on it, and some other stuff. But that one runs. It like turn the key, push the button, the lights work. My other one has a problem with the headlight. It doesn't. First we fixed it. We plugged in the light. It was just a loose wire, and apparently it worked for a couple of months. And then I don't know. I checked the same wire. I unplugged, and it doesn't work anymore. So, but I got to send it out to get the. I think the timing chain checked to see if it's adjusted or not. I'm not a timing expert, so I'll get that done. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends, and I know I forgot the Fat Nancy sweater. I know it's in the house. I'll wear it next time. Anyway, stay tuned. Toodles.